When the going gets tough, the Champ gets going. Presenting our world-class revolutionary product, Champ T400, an inverter-based DC welder. With robust mechanical construction to withstand tough operating conditions. This portable welder is best suited for manual metal arc welding, pipe welding, and TIG. High power factor and high efficiency along with proven reliability. Champ T400 is equipped to counter voltage fluctuations. Whether it's a construction plant, cement plant, or refinery, the Champ has always delivered a knockout performance at every front. Moreover, what makes Champ so special is its origin, that is India. Get ready to experience the Champ. Because a Champ never lets you down.